next up is probably going to be today we're gonna do my favorite type of riding, just exploring. No real destination in mind, just therapy session, exploring. I almost didn't ride again today. I know I didn't put up a video last week. I almost didn't again this week because it's just been brutally hot. It's been 100 plus every day. And that's really not a big deal, but it is when your air conditioner is busted, and mine is on the fritz right now. I'm getting it replaced next week. And yeah, comment below if you think the brand that I'm gonna go with is good. I've never heard of it. I'm going with something called a Day and Night. Apparently it's like a sister, not even a sister company. It's like owned by some bigger company called Carrier, which is huge in air conditioning. And I don't know, the salesman, he sold me on it, and I called around to like 3 or 4 different places, and this was the best deal, so I went with it. Yeah, I wish my dash had a temperature gauge. I got a feeling it's got to already be 80 plus. And what time is it? Yeah, it's not even 9 o'clock. That's ridiculous. I'm just gonna leave it on the clock actually. Yeah, so this probably won't be a very long ride today because this sun is just brutal.
You remember Mrs. Miller, don't you?
No.
Well, they had to cut her legs off, poor thing. There was an ice storm and the power went out in her house, and she woke up with her feet frozen.
God, Mom, that's brutal.
I feel like just melting my arms. Even though you gotta go slow in these residential areas, I really like these rides, just looking at the different houses. I think we're kind of near downtown now. So this freeway right here is what goes to my house. So I'm just gonna follow this under the bridge. Oh, actually, I'll just get on the freeway right here. this is going the opposite way. This is kind of going towards downtown. Oh, here's some freeway. Oh, we need to go west. $18 an hour, dude, for HEB? Bro, that is not right. When I first started in the tech field, I was making $15 an hour as a contractor. You're telling me some person right out of high school could just go to HEB and make $18 an hour? That doesn't make sense. That's not good. And the argument, well, you can't survive on minimum wage. Yeah, you're damn right you can't. So that should be incentive to go to college or go to a trade school and do something, figure something out. Because you can't be working at HEB all your life, dude. Or maybe you can, but not if you're on your own like me. I'm gonna try to do this more often. Not really using the map, kind of like when I first got my learner's permit to drive a car when I was 15, like MapQuest and Google Maps and stuff like that was still in its infancy. So I more or less had to figure out where I was based on monuments or whatever, or just directions, north, south, east, and west. See, the easy thing about California, where I grew up, is I knew west was always towards the water. Where out here, it's kind of, I don't know. I think I need a compass, to be honest. I think I'm going in the right direction. We're going west right now. And then if I ever do get lost, there's GPS as a backup. Alright, subscribe if you haven't, or not. I don't really fucking care. See you guys next week.